Good morning, 5th grade, and welcome back to another week. Happy Star Wars Day, because it's May the 4th. So we're doing things a little bit differently this week, and we're going to do this until the end of the school year, unless our principals ask us to change something, which I don't see happening. So one thing that we're doing to kind of help you out this week is we actually created a schedule for you. Now, the schedule is meant to be completed in a specific order to help you guys understand what you're doing, and every activity kind of builds on the activity before it. But we provided this so you guys can kind of know what you need to be getting done each day of the week. So I'll click into that real quick. As you can see, each day has between 30 minutes and 40 minutes of work. All of them with different materials, all of them on different websites and different things that you need to do. So if you are confused about what you need to do, you can always check this, or you can check into this video again because I'm going to walk you through each of the specific days. So starting with the first day, it should take approximately 35 to 40 minutes to complete. What you're going to be doing first is there is a brain pop video. It's about 7 minutes long. Then Miss Wallace worked on an experiment called the bump, brush, and pull experiment. If you're interested in what actually happened and what she was doing in this, you can look at the ScienceNet description of the activity of what would normally happen, and you can pull up the video to watch right over here. It should open straight up into the video when you click into it. After you're finished watching the video, the last thing you need to do to sum up the first day is answer the questions in this Google form. All you need to do is click into Google form, scroll down, and answer the questions to the best of your ability. Okay. And that should be the end of the first day. Second day, you guys are going to be doing a dive and discover activity, which when you click into it, it's going to open up to a page that looks like this. So first, before you do anything else, you're going to want to explore the interactives. So you can look at the plate boundaries, you can look at the plate movements, and you can look up the breaking of Pangea. Kind of explore them. Each of them has their own ways to interact with it. So if I click into the plate boundaries one real quick, you can see that you can click each of these different pieces up here, and it will show you how the plates are moving, where they're located, and what areas have earthquakes, and certain things like that. So if I click it, something like that may show up, this is just arrows showing how the plates are moving. Now, after you've played with all three interactives and kind of taken notice of some of the things that are prevalent within those interactives, what we would like you to do is go down here and take the plate tectonics quiz. After you are finished, if you are on a computer, there's a button on your computer that says print screen. We would like you to just take a screenshot of your final results and put them either in a Google Doc or a Google Draw so we can just see how you did and where you might need help in the future. It's not going to be graded like a normal quiz, and neither will it be for the first one. It's just so we know where you're at, what you're having trouble with, and what we can possibly help you a little bit more with. So that's the dive and discover. Also on day 2, we've got a plate tectonics word search, which for the word search, when you click into it, it's going to look something like this. So it says, search the letter grid for vocabulary words using all directions, including backwards and diagonally. When you find a word, drag the shape, so whatever shape this is, to where it would be, and then drag on the ends to make it cover up the whole section of letters that you want it to. When you have it circled, in the grid, draw a line through it on the list. So you go here, if I found the word boundary, I would go up here to the line tool, and I would cross out boundary, so that I knew that that one was done. Okay, day 2 should be done. On day 3, there's actually a really cool game that's pretty self-explanatory called the Slip, Slide, Collide game. It's going to teach you a little bit about how plate boundaries move, the layers of the earth, and all different things that go along with that. And then on the last day, you're going to watch a couple videos. For the videos, they're about 5 minutes to write or to watch. And then what you're going to do is you're going to write a deep sea journal entry as if you were James Cameron, who is one of the people that you're watching the video, who created the video. So what you're going to do is you're going to write a date, and you're going to write as if you're him. It must be at least 10 lines of typing. So ladies and gentlemen, just a reminder, you have 7 activities to do this week. If you're having trouble getting into any of them or need help actually completing any of the activities or with any of the logistics of the technical side of these week's activities, please feel free to come to office hours. We are available to help you there. Have a nice week.